G'day everyone, Wayne here. I'm going to do a little Crackin video today. Some of the stuff that I've had sitting around. Some Landcruisers and some Hiluxes. Got 4 Landcruisers and 2 Hiluxes. So we'll get cracking. I'll stick them on the little turntable here. And we will give you a look. Haven't done a Crackin video in a little while. Been mostly new stuff. Okay, here we have a it's copyright 2012. It's the Toyota Hilux. I'll just do this. That's the card there. It's in the black 87 Toyota pickup. Okay, get it cracked open. There we go. Have a look at that. Nice black. Red roll bar. Spotlights. Years ago when I was a kid, when I first seen the movie Back to the Future, seen the Hilux, I said, oh, I'm going to get one of them, I'm going to get one. When I got old enough, I was going to get one, but then I ended up getting a Landcruiser instead. So since probably, I don't know, since probably about 93, I think it was, 93 to 90 sort of 7, I had Landcruisers. And since then I've owned patrols. So I got sick of breaking things. Don't tend to break as much stuff with a patrol than what you do with a Landcruiser. Alright. Okay. Stick that one down there. Move that aside. Alright, next we've got same thing, 87 Toyota pickup on Toyota Hilux. It's in a creamy sort of colour, a tan colour. It's a card, same thing, I think this was a 2012 copyright. There's the back of the card. Okay, get it cracked open for you. There we go. It's exactly the same, just different colours. They've got the same tampos on the side, same wheels. Yeah, that looks good. So I never got around to owning a Hilux. I guess I definitely would have broken stuff if I'd had one. Alright, take that off, move that aside. Now we've got some Landcruisers. I'll start with this one over here. Blue. It's the card there. Toyota Landcruiser FJ40. This was 2009 copyright on this one. It's the back of the card. Okay, it tells you what it is. Alright. There we go. So all these are pretty much the same, just different colour variations. All got the same wheels. Yeah, I had a 1978 FJ45 Ute, a 2F petrol motor in it. I had for a few years. Done a lot of work to it. And before that I had a 1985 BJ43, which was a short wheelbase. Okay, that's that one. Move that aside. Okay, here's the next. This is a yellow one. Same as before with the 506 on the door. Back of the card, which is basically exactly the same. Alright. There we go. I know someone asked on one of my other videos there how I got the lights and the CD on the turntable. Well, the turntable is actually smaller than the CD, and it's got flashing lights underneath it, and it was too bright, so I put a piece of paper on top and then the CD on top of that, so it dulls down the light a bit and still looks okay. So if you're watching this one and I hadn't answered your question, there you go. I don't always respond to questions, I'll try to. Okay, that's the yellow. Okay, now we'll do this one here. This one to a Landcruiser FJ40, normal, the Hot Wheels Performance. This one was where was it? 2010. Copyright on this one. That's the card. Okay. Alrighty, there we go. This one's in a sort of grey, metallic grey, silver colour. So number 5 on the door. It'd be good to put some rail riders on one of these. It'd look pretty good. Maybe it's something I might do. Maybe. I say I'm going to customise some stuff, but yeah, I don't know. I might not. Depends on what time I have. I seem to be pretty busy with little Maverick Dairy. Needs a lot of attention. Constantly trying to put him to sleep or keep him asleep. Unless he's up feeding. Helping out the wife with that. Plus looking after my daughter and everything else, so things get busy. So that's it there, red roll bar, or roll cage. Unfortunately the spare tyre on the back is not the same as what's on the car, which would have been good. Okay. Next we'll do this one. This is it's white. Same thing. And same release date, 2010. Okay. There we go. Wouldn't mind having a Landcruiser again, but I certainly wouldn't run Landcruiser running gear in it, diffs and gearboxes and things. I'd change it all to Nissan. Or coil spring, Patrol diffs, gearbox, probably V8. I think that'd be the way to go. Landcruiser running gear is not known to be strong. Not strong enough for me anyway. Okay, that's so that's 4 Landcruisers and 2 Hiluxes. Alright, there we go. Alright. Well, that was a still not quite short, but 10-minute video, 11-minute video. Anyway, until next time, see you later.